body likes to be in homeostasis. Our blood pH likes to be in homeostasis. We want to be at peace and feel natural and well in our body. And I think one of the great tools that we have to be able to check in with this throughout the day and really see real-time data is how we're breathing. Are you breathing rapid, choppy, short, shallow? Are you holding your breath? Are you breathing through the mouth? If you're breathing in any one of these dysfunctional breathing patterns over a long period of time, it's gonna affect your energy. You might feel on all the time, like you can't turn it off. And the flip side is, if you're feeling really tired and low energy and unmotivated, your breath can play into that as well. And we can use things to upregulate our energy to help us move out of that state as well. So the breath is this amazing indicator to modulate the nervous system throughout the day. The more you can connect with your breath and check in with it, use it as a grounding tool to see how you're actually feeling physically, emotionally, mentally, to check in, the better you're going to be able to manage your stress as it comes and to manage your energy. Uplifting yourself when you need that, calming yourself when you need that. And that is the power of the breath. One of the most significant things I've learned about the breath over the many years of coaching breathwork and yoga, mindfulness, and even communications is that tool, that inside out tool to modulate and change our energy is really powerful. It's really effective. If you want to learn more about your breath and how it affects your energy, like and subscribe.